Picture this. Your liver starts accumulating excess fat, hindering its function. Common culprits? Obesity, high cholesterol, and type 2 diabetes. Risk factors? There are plenty. Genetics, rapid weight loss, and even certain medications can contribute. Knowing the enemy is the first step in conquering it. Welcome to a transformative journey where we unlock the secrets to revitalize your liver. 11 science-backed methods to reverse fatty liver disease for good. We're thrilled to dive into this crucial topic with you because, let's face it, our liver deserves a little extra love. Imagine your liver as a diligent worker in a bustling factory, responsible for keeping everything in order. When too much fat starts piling up, it's like clutter in the workspace. Things slow down and tasks become challenging. Acting swiftly to reverse fatty liver is akin to decluttering the workspace promptly. By doing so, we help the liver regain its efficiency and prevent the situation from worsening. Just like tidying up a messy room sooner rather than later, addressing fatty liver quickly is about creating a healthier and more productive environment for your liver to thrive in. It's an investment in your liver's well-being and the overall harmony of your body's operations. So let's get to know the methods to reverse any potential damage we may have already done to our liver. 1. Adopting a healthy diet. Let's start with the cornerstone, your diet. The food you choose can be your liver's best friend or worst enemy. Adopting a healthy diet involves embracing a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. On the flip side, steer clear of excessive saturated fats and refined sugars, the villains in our nutritional saga. These culprits, found in processed foods and sugary treats, can contribute to liver fat accumulation. Numerous studies, including those in the American Journal of Physiology, Gastrointestinal and Liver Physiology, have linked these dietary choices to liver health issues. Say goodbye to processed foods and welcome the nourishment of a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. Your liver will thank you with improved function and vitality. 2. Regular exercise. Time to lace up those sneakers. Regular exercise isn't just about sculpting your physique, it's a powerhouse for liver health. Whether it's brisk walks, cycling, or dancing, physical activity reduces liver fat, improves insulin sensitivity, and brings a wave of overall well-being. Let's make exercise a joyful part of our journey to a revitalized liver. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, as recommended by health authorities like the World Health Organization. Break it down, that's just 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. 3. Weight management. Unpacking the link between obesity and fatty liver disease, we discover that maintaining a healthy weight is pivotal for liver health. Studies, such as those featured in Liver International, highlight the direct correlation between excess body weight and an increased risk of developing fatty liver. Understanding this connection is crucial. When we carry extra pounds, especially around the midsection, the liver may struggle to process fat efficiently, leading to the accumulation of liver fat. But fear not. The journey to a healthier weight is within reach, and it's all about sustainable, mindful choices. 4. Limiting sugar intake. Sugar, the sweet saboteur. Excessive sugar is no friend to your liver. Extensive research, including studies in the Journal of Hepatology, has illuminated the link between high sugar intake and the development of fatty liver disease. When we consume more sugar than our body needs, the excess is converted into fat. And guess where a significant portion of that fat ends up? You guessed it, in your liver cells, potentially paving the way for fatty liver disease. It's like a sugary invasion that our livers aren't equipped to handle. 5. Moderating alcohol consumption. Raise your glass, but mindfully. Delving into the connection between alcohol and liver health, let's discuss safe limits and considerations for those who choose abstinence. The liver's primary role is to process and filter toxins, and alcohol is no exception. Overindulgence can lead to inflammation, fatty liver disease, and even more severe conditions like alcoholic liver disease. So what's moderation? For most adults, moderate drinking is defined as up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. But here's the catch. 1 drink doesn't mean an oversized cocktail or a hefty glass of wine. It's a standard serving size. Balance is the key to enjoying life without compromising your liver's well-being. 6. Hydration. Stay thirsty, but not for long. Hydration is more than just sipping water. It's a vital elixir for your liver. Imagine your liver as a bustling filtration plant. It relies on water to flush out toxins, aid in digestion, and support countless metabolic processes. Dehydration, on the other hand, can hinder these vital functions, potentially burdening the liver. So, how much water is enough? A general guideline is the 80-8 rule, aiming for 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. However, individual needs may vary based on factors like age, activity level, and climate. Listen to your body's signals. Thirst is your ally. 7. Quality sleep. Enter the realm of dreams, where your liver works its magic. Quality sleep is a non-negotiable ally for liver health. Picture your liver as a dedicated night shift worker. It utilizes the sleep period for critical functions like detoxification and repair. When we compromise our sleep, we disrupt this nocturnal symphony. Sleep deprivation or irregular sleep patterns can contribute to insulin resistance, potentially leading to increased fat storage in the liver. It's like throwing a wrench into the finely tuned machinery of your internal powerhouse. 8. Stress management. The connection between stress and liver health is no mere coincidence. It's a scientifically documented relationship explored in studies such as those published in Psychosomatic Medicine. Picture stress as a storm and your liver as a sturdy ship navigating the tumultuous waters. When stress becomes chronic, the body responds by releasing hormones like cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels over time can lead to inflammation and, you guessed it, an impact on the liver. This dynamic interplay underscores the importance of embracing stress management techniques. 9. Milk thistle. A herbal powerhouse, milk thistle has long been hailed for its potential liver protective properties. Research suggests that silymarin, a component of milk thistle, may have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects beneficial for liver health. Research suggests that milk thistle may help protect liver cells from damage, promote liver regeneration, and even have anti-fibrotic effects. It's like a gentle guardian, supporting your liver's resilience. Consult with your healthcare professional for appropriate dosage recommendations tailored to your specific health needs. 10. More probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that reside in our gut, fostering a harmonious environment that supports digestion and nutrient absorption. They act as custodians, maintaining a balance that transcends into positive outcomes for liver health. Think of your gut as a kingdom and probiotics as the loyal guardians defending its walls. These friendly bacteria contribute to the breakdown of food, synthesis of vitamins, and even detoxification processes, all crucial components of liver support. Method 11. Drink coffee. We explore the surprising potential of drinking coffee, a flavorful twist in our journey. Recent studies, including those published in the Journal of Hepatology, have ignited interest in the potential benefits of our favorite morning brew for liver health. Coffee, it turns out, is not just a delightful ritual, but also a potential ally for your liver. Caffeine, along with other bioactive compounds in coffee, has been associated with several liver protective effects. These include a potential reduction in the risk of liver diseases, such as fatty liver disease, liver fibrosis, and cirrhosis. Regular coffee consumption has been linked to lower levels of liver enzymes, which can be indicative of better liver function. Antioxidants in coffee may also combat inflammation, a key player in various liver conditions. But, as with many good things in life, moderation is the key. While coffee offers potential benefits, excessive caffeine intake can have downsides. It's essential to be mindful of individual tolerance levels and potential sensitivities. Pregnant individuals or those with certain health conditions should consult their healthcare provider to determine the appropriate amount of caffeine for their situation. Consider your own body's response to caffeine and be cautious about adding too many high-calorie extras like sugar and cream to your coffee. Opt for black coffee or explore healthier alternatives. So let's raise our mugs to the potential perks of coffee and navigate this flavorful journey with mindfulness. And there you have it, a roadmap to reverse fatty liver disease and infuse vitality into your liver. Embrace a holistic approach, intertwining these methods into your lifestyle for an optimal liver journey. Please don't forget to always check with your healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or medications. We invite your thoughts, questions, and shared experiences in the comments below. Let's foster a community of support as we collectively embark on this liver revitalization journey. A heartfelt thank you for joining us on this enlightening expedition. If you found this journey valuable, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support fuels our mission to spread liver health awareness. Have questions or want to share your story? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, take care of your liver and take care of yourself.